Building a reputable brand is hard, and sometimes keeping that brand reputable can be even harder, especially when you don't have control over what's happening from within. When discussing brand decimating recalls with executives after the fact, the majority of them wish that they had known about potential issues sooner so that they could have taken action. How long were issues in their facility before they found out? How long did it take for all of their facilities to submit their monthly results to corporate? And how much longer on top of that did it take for reports to be generated based off of those results? Even without knowing exactly, I can tell you that the answer is too long. What's stopping you from accessing this information now? With Neogen Analytics, your data is always available and at your fingertips. Using Insights, our dashboard-driven analytics module, you can review key data and metrics that are important to you. Curious about how your plants are faring in relation to pathogens? Simply click on the pathogen dashboard to review reports containing volume, determinations, and density gradients. Just by looking at my positives by zone, I can see that I have a real issue at my dairy plant, specifically within my zone 3s. When I hover over that, you can see that I have a hand, meaning that this report is interactive. By clicking on the box, it drills down into my dairy plant, then down onto my floor plan, and finally showing me exactly where the majority of my issues lie. Seems pretty clear that I need to share this report with my food safety executive team and get out in front of this before I take a hit to my brand. So I'm going to share this report with my colleagues and call a meeting ASAP. We all know how fast things can move, both good and bad, so why not have our information move just as fast? By leveraging Neogen Analytics, we not only have access to our data in real time, but we also gain the ability to curate and present that data in a meaningful and actionable way so that we can spend more time doing what we do best, which is growing and protecting our brand.